Shame on creations where you get inspired. Shame on creations, home decorating on a budget. Shame on creations, home decor and lifestyle.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to finish the wall design that we started last week. Starting over here, we are going to complete it and then I'm going to share with you guys. I hope you guys inspired because those bed slats are going a long way. They are beautiful. Let me show you again what they look like from the one that we already did. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the way it turned out. And then guys, last week my boo found a couple more molding that someone was redesigning their homes and then they were throwing it out and then he got those for me. Look how beautiful, and he found a lot of those molding. That's gonna make me continue more of the design around the house. So I'm telling you guys, let me show you a little bit of what we did already. Look how beautiful, just with the bed slots. Molding are expensive and here we are so lucky. He found a bunch of the molding like I already said, and then we are going to take it all around the house, but the room. So we'll try to do a bit of it every weekend. So right now I'm going to complete that little spot right here that I started. We did not cut the molding for the top of it, so we are going to finish this part and then we are going to move to the side where my bench is. I'm going to put another box in the inside of those big ones to make it look better, and I'm going to do that one as well next to my door. As you can see, it's a big one. I painted them already because I wanted to see how it was going to look with the paint. So now we are going to make one box inside that one too, and then we are going to move against the wall where my office is. Right now I had some molding with like the stick-on molding that you buy from Amazon. I bought a lot of them and I stick them on the wall. They were falling out. Now I just popped them out, and as you can see where it was tape, they come with glue in the back of them. So now we move them. As you can see, my line is not straight. So now he is going to put a molding all around the room right there, and then we will be creating the same box with the bed slot, and I think it will look very, very pretty for free. Okay guys, let me show you something else we are going to do. You see those sconces that I had here for years? I have them here against the wall over my bench for years. So what my boo is going to do, those sconces, I put battery operated candles in the inside of them, and usually I buy batteries. The candles come with remote, and sometimes I turn them on with the remote, but I'm tired of buying batteries. So what he's going to do, he is such a genius, he's going to convert those sconces that are twisted for years. He's going to convert them into light fixtures, and I cannot wait for him to finish it to see what they are going to look like. So I won't have to buy any more batteries. I could just turn on the switch and they will light up, and I am so excited to see that happen. In the meantime, I'm going to run to Home Depot to go buy staples to put in the machine, so that way we can anchor the molding against the wall which we are about to create. And I am so excited to see what they are going to look like in the room. I cannot wait. I hope today's video inspires you to get you some slat, a bed slat, whenever you can get your hand on them, and create some beautiful wall decor for for free. I mean, I am over the moon. And those little things change the womb, so nicely. I would not believe that it would transform the womb, just that. And then for free, which the molding we found completed. We had some molding that we had found years ago that was in the garage back there. But to find more molding, it's a lot of molding we found. I have molding to put against the whole house. So it will be projects, weekend projects, and I will complete it the house little by little, and I am excited. So let me go ahead and run to Home Depot to go get the items so that way he could continue with the wall decor. So let's get started. I got these nails from Home Depot so that way we can anchor them against the wall. But let me quickly share with you what this little side looks like at the entryway. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Love it. It's pretty, just for free. I love it. While I was going to Home Depot, this is what my boo already did against the wall. Look how pretty this looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. As you can see, the line where I had my molding, you can see the line wasn't straight, which is embarrassing. But anyway, I think he did a great job. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see its finish. And you look back, the house is a mess. So I'm going to help him caulk it and some of them, and I'm going to use the caulking to start doing some work myself, and I cannot wait to see it until it's finished. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I'm not sure that I will be finished painting the house, that wall right here. As I said, this is a project that's going to continue every other weekend. And right now, like I said, I am absolutely loving it. But look at the house, y'all. The house is a mess. My sitting room, my entryway, everything is a mess. So I'm going to start cleaning up and get everything together. And even if I paint it or not, I'm going to place back everything. And then I will share with you what this place looks like. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, this is how the wall looks after I clean up everything, put everything back to organize everything back. It's not finished because I think we are going to cut all the molding to put in the inside of each of the boxes. But right now, I just went over it with some white paint to finish it off for right now, so that way it doesn't bother me throughout the week looking at it. But I think it looks so pretty. It makes the room look so alive. And look at the light, y'all. Look at the light. Oh, I love my lights. Thank you, boo, for creating that light fixtures. Oh my gosh, I think it looks so pretty at night. It looks so beautiful. I will show you a clip at night when we come in the house, how it looks. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with us this weekend. I hope you're inspired and get creative in your own home. Think outside the box. Anything can be repurposed. Until next time, I can't wait to see each and every one of you next week, Sunday or Monday. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye, guys. I love you all. Thank you all for watching. Bye.
In the world of J-Mom Creations, where inspiration thrives. Home decorating on a budget where love always survives. A place of beauty and creativity, where dreams come to life. Join the family of J-Mom Creations, where joy runs right.